Hey, so today I'm going to show you guys how to use a French press, and this is a Bodum, and I like French press coffee. A lot of people like it in percolator, but I like French press. So let's get started. So you can use any medium ground coffee that you like. You can use decaf, you can use any kind of coffee, flavored coffee, as long as it's medium ground, okay? So I'm going to put inside my French press, I'm going to use 3 tablespoons so that there's enough. I mean, you know what, I'll just put 4. So there's enough for everybody. And then what you want to do is you want to pour your water in, hot boiling water. It has to be boiled. And I'm going to put a little bit in there just so I can swish it around and get the flavor started. When you get the flavor started, oh, it just smells so delicious. So, and of course I use a wooden spoon, because if you use a metal spoon it will crack it, it's glass. And then you just pour in the rest of your coffee. But remember, we have to leave room for the screen. So let's mix it up. And for this, we're going to have to wait 4 minutes. When you're making your coffee, you need to wait 4 minutes so it's done, like percolating or doing what it's supposed to do. But it's not percolating, but it just makes it the way it's supposed to. You need to wait. You need to wait 4 minutes. But I'm not going to wait 4 minutes today because this is a tutorial. And so you take out your spoon and you add your lid, your screen in, just like that. And there you go. You still have to wait a few minutes for all the coffee grounds to settle. So now I think it's at least 4 minutes, and we're gonna push this down, and you push it down slowly. And this is what's gonna separate the coffee from the grounds. Okay, and so now I'm gonna pour us a cup of coffee. It's delicious. If you love fresh brewed coffee, this is delicious. But I recommend that you go get a French press and you make yourself some delicious coffee. Bye, see you on the next one.